Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Tudia merge case review for my OnePlus 13. Today we're going to be looking at two very good looking cases, dual layer protection by the way. Tudia merge uniquely designed protective cases to protect your OnePlus 13. Today we're looking at the green lily and the pine green. There are other color choices over at the Tudia website, so please go and do some shopping. Also over at Amazon. Now these cases here do not have magnet for MagSafe. Tudia did contact me and let me know that once they get those in for review, they will send out those cases with magnet for MagSafe. So today we'll be testing regular wireless charging. And without further ado, let's do this. Features dual layer shock absorbing TPU interior and polycarbonate shell exterior, clicky buttons, covered protection for buttons without any loss of responsiveness, military grade, certified to meet or exceed drop test standards. Connect with us over at Tudia Products, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Join our newsletter by sending an email to signup@tudiaproducts.com. And you got some warranty information right down here at the bottom. So please read everything. During the intro, you saw that I was able to take the lily here and separate the interior from the back. Hard shell back there, made of hard plastic polycarbonate material, and we got TPU material there, and very easy to put back together. So let's go ahead and look at the lily. Yeah, by the way, the inside, nice matte finish, perfectly designed to help cushion the back of your OnePlus 13 if you were to drop it on the ground. All right, let's do this. All right, along the left-hand side, outside of that textured grip that we have there, midway towards the bottom, we have the alert slider. I like how that dips down there and exposes the alert slider. Very easy to utilize that functionality. Power button, nice and responsive. Volume rocker, again, nice and responsive. Those areas protruding out, so you should have no issues utilizing the functionality of the volume rocker and the power button, plus minus power. At the bottom, speaker grill cutout, mic cutout, USB Type-C charging port cutout, and the other mic cutout. Two mics at the bottom there, and up top you have your speaker exposed there, mic, IR blaster, mic, all nicely protected and covered. Recessed area up top for the earpiece. Do that. Plenty of lip up top, along both sides, and at the bottom. Sitting down on a flat surface a little bit rough, you are good to go. Anything rougher than that, OnePlus does give you a pre-installed screen protector. If you are going to decide to bring something else in, please do so. There should be some glass protectors out there. I'm going to be either receiving or buying my own. I have to go do some shopping. But yeah, don't go without some sort of screen protection if you're going to be sitting down on a really rough surface. Just use your discretion. On the back, look at that texture back there. It's really, really nice. Got some camera lip protection there. You've got some depth going on there. All right, so let's go ahead and test out wireless charging. Just like that, folks. Just like that. I am digging it. Just to make sure I didn't get the ones with the magnet for MagSafe. Okay. You never know. Anyway, let's go over to the pine green. Same case, different color. Same protection surrounding the camera. Cameras. When you set down on a flat surface a little bit rough, you should be good to go. With the camera extending out a bit and the lip, there's a little bit of a slant, so that camera area is not going to be touching the surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough. Anything rougher than that, you can purchase a camera glass lens protector to surround all of that area if you're going to be setting down on a really rough surface, okay? Please protect your investment. Lots of lip, folks, lots of lip. Cutouts will be precise. Corner protection, textured grip. You got to do your part, and that's hold on with a very, very firm hold. Wireless charging. Boom, just like that. Tudia brand name at the bottom there. And again, there are other color choices either over at Amazon or over at the Tudia website. Magnet for MagSafe cases coming soon. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Again, the information to purchase down below in the description area. And with that, Tudia, thank you so much for the opportunity. And with that, peace. God bless.